Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their phones to car Bluetooth systems? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Activate Bluetooth. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and set to discoverable. Step 2. Start System. Start the car's audio system and press the off hook button to begin pairing. Step 3. Select Pairing. Press the talk switch and say Pair Phone or navigate to it with the control knob. Step 4. Name Device. Record a name for your device following the voice instructions. Step 5. Enter passkey. Search for the system via your phone and enter the provided passkey. Step 6. Confirm connection. After connection confirmation, your phone is ready for hands-free use. By following these steps, you should now be able to use your phone with your car's Bluetooth system. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.